Ni kigomano kiria kihariirio mucii-ini munene wa Kisumu na itanya ria kugereka gukura kwa micii minene mabururi-ini matiganite gitaru-ini kia Africa. President Uhuru Kenyatta niwe utongoretie kuhingurwo gwa kigomano giki kiria ni gia kenda kuhariirio ni mabururi matiganite mwaka uyu gikiguciriria andu matanyiheirie 8,000.
This year's summit is most apt as the summit comes at a time that is critical when our continent of Africa is facing rapid urbanization and the challenges of future cities are increasingly coming into sharp focus, more so after the shock.
President Kenyatta ni agwetete kuhimbirio kwa ugayania wa mahinya ta njira ya mwanya ria ngiteithiriria gukura kwa micii minene kuona undu uyu ni uteithagiriria guthukira kigina kiiganu tabarĩra-inĩ itiganite.
The challenge of our time is therefore to make our intermediary cities and municipalities sustainable.
The evolution offers an answer that emphasizes both individual liberty and community values by empowering local communities within their own local government, elected by them and kept in check by them.
Tabarĩra cia mwanya cia guhuthia miikarĩre ya aikari ni igwetetwo ta undu utari urakinyanirio wega riu kigina makiria gikiendekithio kuheanwo kuri ukuria wa micii ino.
This is not to say that our rural areas should take a back seat. Rather, it is to recognize that our development plans must be in tune with the realities of rural-urban migration and the concentration of large populations in small and often unplanned settlements in metropolitan areas.
President Kenyatta ni agathĩrĩirie mitaratara ya kwagĩrithia icagi cia micii ino riu akĩranĩra kũnyitirĩra mitaratara ta ino na njĩra nene.
We have also embarked on a slum upgrade program that is spread across our country, notably in our capital city of Nairobi and the intermediary cities of Mombasa and Kisumu, as well as our youngest city, that being the city of Nakuru.
Atongoria matiganite no magwetete bata wa kunyitirira micii ingi mabururi-ini ma Africa undu ria ungiteithiriria kunyihia muthianiriro micii-ini minene.
Intermediary cities also have the potential to address inequalities among groups that have arisen from central power structures that disproportionately channel resources to few urban areas.
Kigomano giki guthie na mbere nginyagia muthenya wa Jumamothi. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV retwera kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.